motherless child can face uncertain days because he